Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I got these jumbo rope twists. So let's just get right into it. So I've been on Pinterest lately because Pinterest is my latest obsession, and I was seeing Sweetie and just all these beautiful women with this hairstyle, and I was like, I have to do it. So what I'm starting off with is pre-stretch hair. You guys can use any pre-stretch braiding hair. It's really up to you. They have them at any beauty supply store in your location, so I don't really prefer like what type of hair, just as long as it's pre-stretched, because you don't have to, you save time stretching the hair. So I believe this hair that I'm using, it's by Eve's Hair Company. I've never heard of them, you guys. I randomly just get braiding hair. I don't really care like what brand it is or not, whatever's affordable. So as you can see, mine came in a 4-pack, so I took one of the packs and I'm just going to split them basically in half because they were already pretty much the size that I wanted. So you, depending on the size that you want, you can kind of, measure out how big you want your braid and how much hair you need to add. Now I pre-parted my hair because it just saves a lot of time, and I'm just right here, I am stretching it a little bit more because sometimes with pre-stretched hair the hair can be really thin at the end, so I just didn't want it too thin at the end, so I'm just stretching it a little bit more. And I'm going in with my Ebin edge control 24-hour edge control. This stuff is amazing, my go-to edge control. Now I'm going to show you guys 2 ways. My hair is straight, and when you do your hair and it's straight in these rope twists, the quicker they fall out, the quicker the hair pops out. So that's why you will see me doing, actually taking the braid down and then doing it with the braid. So you want to start off with the regular 3-strand braiding technique just to grip the hair, and then eventually when you feel comfortable, which is should be at the top, you can take it and separate it apart and start twisting it. Now you twist within a twist. I know you can barely tell here, that's why I tried to like show you and like slow it down a bit and not speed past it, because I'm actually twisting each strand as I twist them together. It's so hard to explain, but once you get the hang of it, you'll understand. And if you're not doing it right, it will fall apart. So when you twist each strand, you twist them together, if that makes sense. Also, add edge control, like get some thick edge control that will hold these braids together too, because believe it or not, the bigger these are, how can I say this, they're gonna unravel because they're twists. But there's things to prevent that a little bit. I would say this hairstyle does not last long, so if this is something quick that you want to do, to be honest with you, it's something quick, a hairstyle for the weekend. You're going out of town for the weekend, you need a hairstyle, this is your go-to. But if making it last like months, you're gonna have to constantly keep retwisting them. So as you can see, that's twist is completed, and it will not fall down, but like sometimes the hair will pop up. So the reason why I did this technique far as keeping the braid is because, like I said before, my hair is straight. So usually you want to start off with maybe blow dry hair, and I didn't do that. That was my mistake. So I found that usually when my hair is braided and I do the same technique, the hair doesn't pop out as the other one I just did normally would. So that's my fault. Make sure you guys do it on blow dried hair. It holds way much better. Now I want you to pay attention to the root, because sometimes when you're twisting, the hair twists your hair and it be feeling like your hair is falling out. So just make sure you kind of just reshape it and twist it, and you're good to go. So I'm just showing you guys the length. Like I said, the ends were kind of super thin a little bit and like poking out. I didn't really like the way the ends look, so I'm definitely gonna fix that. But as you guys can see, this is pretty easy. Like I said, once you get the hang of it, you guys, you will speed through this like Speedy Gonzalez, like it's the last day on earth. Like like you will really speed through this pretty fast, because this literally took me an hour and a half. I was so shocked that it took me, such a short time amount of doing that. So I'm just showing you again the technique, of course, the 3-strand, because I really want you to get you guys to understand this, because you know, we be struggling out there with these hairstyles. And like I said, the more you add the edge control and blend your hair in with the braiding hair, the less it'll pop out. So a twist within a twist. And then that is it, you guys. I really don't know what else to say. I used 3 packs because some of you guys don't be paying attention. I mean, I'm gonna need y'all to pay attention. Half the time I be feeling like y'all don't really be wanting to watch the video. You just need to know how much hair you can use, because I get so many comments. How many packs of hair, when I've stated it over and over and over in the video. So watch the video all the way through, guys. But yeah, I used 3 packs of that hair that you see, and it came with 4 little, you know, extra little braiding hair parts. I feel like those are best because you don't have to keep paying, you know, however much you pay for one single pack. Those are better, and they're pre-stretched, so it saves a lot of time. So that's the ends I was talking about. So what I did is I got some little flexi rod, perm rod things, and I just wrapped them around and dipped my hair. That water was piping hot, and I almost dropped it in the video. I was like so nervous. I was like, I'm not trying to burn my hands. So I dipped them in hot water, let them sit for a little bit. I did my makeup, and this is the final look. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Woo! That literally took me only like an hour and a half. These are super cute. Now, I will say that they are heavy. So good luck with lasting long or getting headaches, because I'm good for both. So I probably won't even have these in a good 2 weeks. But it is so cute for something so simple. Like I said, it only took me an hour and a half to do this, you guys. I was like, once you get the hang of it, it goes by so fast. It's better than box braids, because the box braids take a really long time. So this is what you get. Again, if I didn't mention it, I used 3 packs of the hair that I had. Of course, pre-stretched, all that good stuff. Let me show you what the ends look like. So this is what the ends came out looking like, and I couldn't be more happier. I'm gonna have to clip that. Bomb. I felt like the straight was kind of looking sticky, like poking out. So I was like, let me just add some curls to it and see. It's not a lot of braids, but the braids are big, so it makes it look like a lot of braids, but it's really not. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did doing it. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff, share, repost. This probably will be on TikTok, so go to my TikTok. Here's my name on TikTok. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.